Good morning, everyone. Happy Sunday. Today I woke up to the prairie dogs. That is one reason why I love van life, is to waking up to nature. Beautiful sunny day. Beautiful sunny day. And prairie dogs. And they have like 10 holes or more all over this field, and there's been 2 of them just popping up and down, up and down, up and down. It's been popping up, yeah, it's been really nice. This is a good way to spend Sunday. This is the view at the front half. I'm sitting in my chair, and then that's the other half. Lots of life, lots of people on their way traveling, other people that spent the night with me here. And this is why everybody should get off their couch and into their RVs, campers, tents, cars, and spend some time sleeping outdoors in truck spots and having breakfast with the prairie dogs. So how do you spend your Sunday outdoors and in your van? How do you spend your Sunday? Look forward to hearing everybody's responses. Bye-bye.